Well, hello. I am Kirby from the Mindscape Psychedelic Institute, and I just wanted to introduce you to Mindscape. Now, look, there's a lot of noise in the psychedelic space right now, as we all know. I mean, there's courses everywhere, certifications. There's very little discernment, is what we're seeing in the space. And so we wanted to set ourselves apart, as we've been doing for the last 5 years now. At Mindscape, we're not interested in hype. We're not interested in trying to be something that we're not. We're really focused more on competence, safety, and depth. And, that's why our trainings are professional. And this is a professional training institute for people that take this responsibility of working in this space seriously for their clients, for themselves, and for their students. Now, Mindscape exists to train facilitators and therapists. So the objective is to help you learn to work skillfully at the intersection of psychology, neuroscience, and non-ordinary states of consciousness. So it really is a science-based mixed with what some folks would refer to as the spiritual. Now, what we try to do is bridge clinical rigor, trauma-informed practices, and really what's also crucial to understanding this work and working in this space is direct experiential understanding, real-world application, real responsibility. Now, our flagship offerings are two courses, 5-MeO DMT facilitation training or BUFO training. And this is not an introductory class. We've got lots of students from all over the world, Australia, Canada, Spain, Iceland, Britain, Germany, France, just to name a few. And we're really proud of that our name has become synonymous with high level training. As a matter of fact, a good portion of our trainees or students come from other 5-MeO classes because they didn't feel that they got the depth. And to us, this is important, especially with this medicine. 5-MeO DMT is one of the most powerful non-ordinary states a human nervous system can encounter. And if you've had the experience, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And because of that, it demands advanced preparation, impeccable safety standards, and a deeply regulated guide. So, who are we as the facilitator, right? Are we deeply regulated as well? So, we explore multiple routes of administration and use cases to help you determine which may be appropriate. And, we're training facilitators to track the nervous system in real time, recognize destabilization versus surrender, and maintain a grounded presence under extreme conditions. And this is professional level facilitation. It's taught with myself, multiple other highly skilled, highly trained, recognizable facilitators and therapists in the space. So again, that blending of the therapeutic with the traditional facilitation. Alongside that, we offer mastering ketamine assisted therapy taught by my amazing wife, Amber Kirby, who's a licensed marriage and family therapist and the first psychedelic therapist in the state of Iowa who's been training other therapists who work in the ketamine space. And again, this program is designed specifically for clinicians and focuses on ethical, effective, and integrated ketamine work within the therapeutic framework. Now, me being an internship in my therapeutic practice, have also taken the course. In just my opinion, if you're in the therapy space and you have not at least explored how psychedelics are going to make an impact in this space, you're going to be behind the ball. So this is an incredible opportunity if you are a therapist and looking to kind of expand your practice. We also offer some evergreen and therapist focused programs, for those entering the psychedelic space from, again, more traditional clinical roles. We offer expanding therapeutic horizons, which is one of my favorite courses. This program's really built for therapists and prescribers who want a grounded, evidence-based, informed pathway into MDMA, ketamine, and psilocybin work, because those medicines are either legal or imminently going to be legal, right? So they're on the emerging cusp of you having access to them. And somebody who's worked in that space myself, absolutely life changing for clients and patients that we're working with. So, again, understanding the foundations of those. And this is taught by uh, three doctors, two LMFTs, and some really highly trained facilitators. So, we really do have a phenomenal team here at Mindscape. Um, We also offer what we call kind of master classes, and those are an MDMA and psilocybin for people that want to really deep dive into those two medicines. And again, each is designed to respect the unique demands of those medicines rather than just treating psychedelics as this interchangeable tool, which I see often. So we also offer our popular psychedelic integration specialist course, which again has been one of our most popular courses. It's over 30 hours of videos, readings, and explorations on the topic. So if you're interested in just stepping into the integration space and like to step beyond just telling people to journal or meditate, this could be the course for you. And something that we've been offering the last few years that has been, again, extremely popular, and we're really grateful for that, is our mentorship and executive level work, right? This is for professionals, founders, leaders who really want direct access to embodiment work with or without medicine. Okay. And this includes our awareness reset protocol, which is a structured, intensive process that's focused on attention, identity, flexibility, and nervous system regulation, right? And these are limited, it's personalized, and we're intentionally selective about that. So if you're looking for transformation at the highest level, this work is designed to meet you there. And I'd say in closing, Mindscape isn't for everyone, and that's okay. It's for people that want to do this work well. There's plenty of fly-by-night groups out there. There's plenty of weekend trainings. That is not what we're focused on. Okay. We want people who understand the weight of this work, the weight of this responsibility. And if that's you, I think you found the right place. Let us know if you have any questions.